Welcome to Peplink. We are happy to have you on board and we can't wait to help you reach new heights. In this training course, we will cover 4 modules: Peplink differentiation, our product lines, our solutions, and our marketing. Each module will have an approximate 30-minute training video and supplementary materials for you to study. At the end of the module, there will be 15 multiple choice questions to help you check your understanding. Let's start with our first module, Peplink differentiation. In this module, we will discuss what makes Peplink different and sets us above our competitors. Our brand tagline is, "We always make it work." It can be anything or any situation which requires connectivity. In the modern world, connectivity is indispensable. We need it to talk to people across the globe, businesses need it to keep their operations running, and machines need it to work in sync with other machines. In our quest to improve connectivity, we have developed proprietary technologies and integrated them into our products and services. Together, they form an ecosystem dedicated to making connectivity reliable and simple. Peplink does not work alone. We have partnered with other technology service providers to create innovative solutions together. For example, Peplink brings Speed Fusion's unbreakable edge to Ericsson's Industry 4.0 partner program. The industry's adoption of cellular connectivity solutions like Ericsson Private 5G allows Peplink to offer industrial customers reliable solutions, making digitalization more efficient. Peplink has partnered with Amazon to create AWS Wavelength. AWS Wavelength reduces latency by putting Amazon computing infrastructure directly inside the mobile carrier's 5G networks. So what happens if the 5G network connectivity is interrupted? Well, the solution is simple. Add Peplink's AWS Wavelength-ready 5G routers to combine unbeatable latency with unbreakable connectivity. Peplink has partnered with Kymeta to provide seamless connectivity to their satellite communications and networks. This can be particularly important where instantaneous first responder services are required, and Kymeta needs to ensure people get the help they need, wherever they are. Kymeta customers were astonished the first time they saw their mission-critical applications continue to operate seamlessly in challenging environments. Even as the service network switches between satellite and 4 and 5G networks, it goes beyond what they thought was possible, and it allows them to reliably extend their capabilities to anywhere needed. Our technology can create unbreakable live streaming for important events. Recently, Subaru used Peplink Speed Fusion-powered solutions to live stream a motorsports event they hosted. After the event, Subaru told us, "We didn't expect this to work. Nobody's phone works down here. We were amazed that Peplink Speed Fusion was able to deliver a flawless broadcast live to our social media channels. This opens up all kinds of new ideas for us to keep fans connected." The need for connectivity is growing rapidly around the world, and we are ready to capture emerging market opportunities. Recently, Peplink partnered with Indonesian network provider Telkomsel and helped them improve their operating efficiency and deliver improved network uptime for their customers. With their new 5G release, our 5G push with Telkomsel seeks to deploy Peplink wireless SD-WAN technology in various opportunities across the energy, mining, and manufacturing sectors. Peplink also has long-term partners in Mexico. Recently, we completed a large deployment for Qualitas, one of the largest insurance companies in Mexico, and have seen great momentum in the coming months and years. We mentioned the term Speed Fusion earlier on, so what is Speed Fusion? Speed Fusion is Peplink's patented technology. These technologies make our products different from our competitors in the market. With Speed Fusion, we have developed multiple types of technologies to address specific networking problems. Today, we will cover the most important 3: bandwidth bonding, WAN smoothing, and hot failover. Bandwidth bonding can combine the bandwidth of multiple low-cost links to replace the expensive MPLS link. MPLS is an abbreviation of multi-protocol label switching. An MPS link is a separate traffic route that can be used in situations where businesses need to access data or applications that reside in the company's HQ location. These are notoriously expensive. Our bandwidth bonding technology offers this service at a fraction of the cost. That is why our speed fusion technology is so unique. What makes this part of our technology so efficient is its ability to combine the speed of multiple connections into a single connection. This is useful for situations where bandwidth is scarce, such as at a remote site or in a moving vehicle. This technology also enables branch offices of a company to connect to the head office at greater connection speeds. Take a look at this animation example of downloading a large file. Without bandwidth bonding, if your connection has limited bandwidth, the download and the whole network will become very slow. However, with bandwidth bonding, it can combine the bandwidth of different WAN connections. This allows you to transfer a large file, and the user will continually experience a smooth internet connection. WAN smoothing consumes more bandwidth than bandwidth bonding, but increases connection consistency. Use it when you need consistent delivery of time-sensitive traffic. For instance, WAN smoothing is important for live streaming broadcasts. When live broadcasts are jittery due to packet loss, WAN smoothing sends redundant packets through multiple network channels simultaneously. This instantly fills in the connectivity gaps in the data and eliminates the effects of packet loss. Therefore, the live broadcast will seamlessly stream. You may have heard about failover from our competitors, but there are two different types, basic and hot. Our hot failover technology is different to basic failover. Basic failover is offered in existing technologies. These will transfer sessions to another connection, but will not prevent the session from breaking when one WAN connection fails. This results in some interruptions or downtime. Hot failover is different. In the event of a WAN disconnection, hot failover will transfer your traffic to another connection while maintaining session persistence. This seamless transition means you won't experience interruptions in your activities. Hot failover could be useful for an important conference call. If your connectivity were to experience a failover, with Peplink, you will not experience any interruptions in your call. The traffic will transfer to another connection without you even realizing there was an issue in the first place. You have seen the term SD-WAN consistently mentioned, but what exactly is SD-WAN? SD-WAN is an acronym for Software Defined Wide Area Network. What makes our routers so unique is their ability to be simultaneously remotely controlled and monitored from a single user interface. The SD-WAN routers allow the web admin user to centrally manage and monitor any activity connected to it. At Peplink, In Control is our cloud-based endpoint management system that can help our customers remotely manage, control, and monitor all of their networks and devices. Our full product line integration consists of SD-WAN routers. These routers can enable an organization branch offices to be provisioned, monitored, and managed centrally using an SD-WAN controller that gives network administrators full control over their wide area networks and remote devices. And for convenience, this can all be monitored using a single interface. Our SD-WAN routers can provide complex VPN configurations, connecting thousands of branch offices together securely. These can be created and deployed automatically with centralized WAN monitoring and notifications, providing a real-time view of WAN health and global branch office availability. Please remember the term in control, as we will cover this again in the later modules. Peplink is recognised by Gartner. Gartner is a Connecticut-based technology research and consulting company. They conduct research, provide actionable insight and guidance to large corporations, government agencies, technology companies, and the investment community. Since 2018, Peplink has been included in the Gartner Magic Quadrant for WAN Edge Infrastructure. This means Peplink is one of the top 15 WAN Edge infrastructure vendors in the worldwide market. But what is the Gartner Magic Quadrant? Well, the Gartner Magic Quadrant is an annual report that evaluates technology providers on their stated visions and how well they are performing against it. It helps prospective clients understand the company approach and decide whether that provider aligns with their business goals. Peplink is also recognised by other industry research organisations such as GigaOM. GigaOM is a global network of independent research analysts that assess different organisations on their technological development abilities. GigaOM have recognised Peplink as one of 2 clear leaders in the area of cellular networking. What makes Peplink's connectivity reliable is the multiple cellular links offered by our technology. This is extremely useful when a network connection is needed in situations where a strong connection can be challenging to find. We ensure that if one cellular link were to fail, you will swiftly get redirected to another without any additional costs. Other service providers may have limited cellular links as part of their data plan with their customers. This can be problematic when that connection is lost and they are unable to reconnect, or their mobile carrier automatically redirects them to a link that will also incur additional costs on top of their data plan. This is what's known as incorrect balancing. Peplink has 2 brand names, Peplink and Pepwave. In the past, the Peplink brand was used for our wired products such as the Balance series. The Pepwave brand was used for our wireless products such as the Max series. Starting from 2022, we will have a new positioning for both brand names. We will apply Peplink to all of our professional router products, including the Enterprise and Industrial Edge, Enterprise and Mobile SD-WAN models. We will apply Pepwave to our prosumer and network accessory products. This would include accessories such as a Balance 20X, Soho router, access points and antennas. Starting this year, they will be used under the Pepwave branding. Our logos and trademarks are one of our most valuable assets. Please treat those nicely. Take good care of our logos and they will take good care of you. If you are going to use a Peplink logo, please download the latest one. We have prepared a brand book to show you how to use our logos. Visit our brand book, page 10, and click the link to Logos Library. We have seen several common issues when using our logos. Please listen carefully as I briefly discuss these issues in detail. The first common issue is our logo visibility on an image background. When doing so, you will need to select the appropriate logo color that stands out on the image background. For example, if you are placing the Peplink logo on a dark background, please use the one with Pep in a white color. Vice versa, if you are placing the Peplink logo on a light background, please use the one with Pep in a black color. The second issue we usually see is the ratio of the logo. Please always keep our logo in the correct ratio. Space is also very important. Please keep clear space outside and around our logo. The clear space is an area around our logo that must be kept free of other graphic elements, such as headlines, text, and the outside edge of materials. The third common issue is the branding color. The Peplink orange is Pantone 1235C, or #FFB81C of the Hex Color Index. Since 2019, the Peplink orange colour has been changed. Our previous logo had a lower green and higher blue intensity on the RGB scale. Please ensure you are using the correct shade of orange. Peplink is built on the passion of the partner community. Our people and working culture are what make us great. Our products and technology evolution are driven by community engagement. Keeping both aspects closely linked has enabled us to deliver an excellent customer experience. Our approach is driven by our community of customers. Community engagement is what keeps our product technology and supply chain constantly evolving. This ensures we keep our costs low and products superior to our competitors. We pride ourselves in our ability to move quickly and change our strategies to swiftly seize new opportunities. This is all thanks to our community-driven approach. We have a forum to collect feedback to the engineering teams. This feedback is directly sent to them so that we can keep a tight feedback loop and quickly adapt to market trends. If our customers need to contact an engineer, they will be able to do so through our forum. Peplink's tone of voice is direct, honest, and informative. We go for the straightest path, letting one idea flow into the next. We also keep our material comfortable to read. The best way to ensure this is to read out each sentence. If you have to take a breath in between, the sentence is too long. Here at Peplink, we are open, transparent, and not afraid to experiment. We constantly question every convention and assumption, eschewing anything that is outdated or inefficient. We are always on the lookout for new trends and potential disruptions. Verifying ideas through market feedback is essential to our company culture. Therefore, we encourage everyone to reach out to us with any questions or suggestions for the future. Again, welcome to Peplink. With your skill and expertise, our team can continue to innovate and explore new territories.